Welcome back everyone to the Theta Communications video series. Today we're going to be diving into some new integrations for the Theta Edgecloud, as well as some business development for different business models. Before we proceed, let us thank our Theta stakers as well as our Tfuel stakers over on ThetaCommunications.com. You make this content possible, as well as make sure to like, share, subscribe, and comment down below to boost Theta-related content in the YouTube algorithm. Alright, let's head on over to X here, and as you can see, Philadelphia Union, a MLS sports team, soccer team in the US, is integrating and building their own app, have it with Theta, powered here. This is a huge progression, and I want people to understand, again, the baseline of what Theta Labs is doing is they are setting the stage, putting their name out there, getting brand recognition between large sports partners and universities, right? Being able to showcase that they are the partner to choose when it comes to the application AI layer. And that is the most important thing going into the future here. It's not really about how much you spend. We've heard from Mark Zuckerberg how it's okay if we overspend here because the underspending is unacceptable. We've spoken about how Apple is patiently waiting in previous, just like they did with the iPhone, and then made a really amazing product off of the backs of other people's progressions. And the Theta Labs team is doing a very similar thing. They are finding good cash flows, business model throughput, and a home for the Theta network and what is going to blossom from there, right? So these collaborations move out towards the ticketing side, and then they also reach out to the food and beverage provider and the concession side. So then they say, hey, okay, how can we integrate this within our own? So there is a web of trust that is being laid between these business models, showing and saying, hey, we can make applications, we can help out with your business processes, we can improve your UX, your user experience on the front end. And by doing so, with an underlying AI elements underlying things, will make a beautiful synergy and great cash flow for Theta to then expand their employee base who is needed for those roles and those tasks specifically, and will allow them to grow into the future. And I think that's what a lot of people miss, is that Theta is constantly ever changing to the landscape. There was a lot of focus on video. And with the change, the video space, obviously they pivot and maneuver their capital, their employees in a different direction. And to be lightweight and nimble to be able to do that is the utmost important thing. So, translating over to the Theta blockchain, right? We have a network and participation where the cost savings are pushed through the Edgecloud. So the Edgecloud is a critical component. All of our edge nodes become a piece of this budding network. And as we have highlighted too in previous, Mitch and team are copying the processes that Nvidia went through. Nvidia started to go to universities, and they went there and provided the training and the ability to put the builders' hands on the products that are going to be needed in the future. And Mitch and team are doing that just the same. They are going to those guys and saying, hey, listen, we know your grant funding is getting cut. We know this is expensive, this is expensive. You still need to be doing AI and teaching these students and having them learn. Why not have them learn through our platform, through Edgecloud, which is cheaper, more efficient, and probably in terms of grant money or proposing to different universities, funding boards, we'll say, hey, listen, this is the cheapest alternative route, which allows us to still do these AI tasks for the students. So great opportunity, great path. I think token holders are just very multiple years of crypto will burn people out over time. But if a user is willing to be patient and willing to listen and see what they are actually laying the foundation for, I think it's a very bright future going forward. All right, everyone. I hope to see you in the next one. As always, I will see you on Tfuel Island. Take care. Bye-bye.